Yes, there's ads. That's why I run, that's why I have a starting stream thing. Because Bezos needs more money, so we run ads. Okay. Let me go ahead and hit screen capture. There we go. Okay. SD weapon type 1. SD weapon type 2. And okay, this got changed. That's right. It's no longer that. Okay, we'll review this code since this is where the bug is. This part works fine. It literally just returns what's in your hand. Mic volume is normal. Yeah, my mic volume is completely normal. Let me check my sound settings real quick. Oh, that's internet. Sound settings. Open sound settings. Microphone. Device properties. I mean, I can. Is that better? Okay. Don't know how that got lower. That should have been 100% to begin with, but. Okay. Music. Why is my music not in the playlist? 1 second. Playlist. Background music. Playlist. Playlist. There we go. I actually would be interested in watching NA versus U League, but okay. So we were talking about this yesterday, so I want to fix it. If main hand, if subbed hand, if armor, else. If the same, lower the base. Else base equals 55, or increase the base. Okay, so me grab a notepad real quick. No league, only code. Much as I love to watch it, but I am coding, so. Okay, let me re-pull up these numbers. Oh, I have them on hand. And then, yeah, so bonus times sub level. Okay, two-handed weapon. I mean, yes, that does work. But the issue is there's only an issue in dual wielding, which would be these ones right here. Yeah, because if main type equals subtype. Which would be excuse me. How do I call this? SDRI, yeah. Back. Okay. So that's two-handed. And then this is one-handed. And this doubles the bonus at the end. Bonus is 20 times main hand. 35 apparently. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it's if nothing in your other offhand. If type equals subtype else. So this is where you get the one-handed bonus for shields. Yeah, I was... Okay. Oop. Yeah, it's because of this right here. That's where the other 15% comes from. Which means I can actually remove that. Or 35, move that there. Base 110. If they're the same, it's 110. If they're not the same, I get 55. Yeah, so this is where it comes out. So it would actually need to be 165 right here. I'm pretty sure. Maximum cringe, what? I'm pretty sure that's the correct. What? Let me check what that else statement was again. The else statement was just base level. It was either. Yep. There. That was a special check for Taekwon, so. Okay, build solution. Speaking of beer, ginger beer. Delicious shit. No, not until movement speed's reworked. I'll probably do it during the rework. Wait. Let me go ahead and set this up real quick. You're not dying, please. Identifier item group does not exist. Is special. Apparently removed is special. I should check the Arthena code for this one, because... Let's pull up our Athena real quick, because this is a change they made. I am in the latest Arthena, so. I mean, there is a cap speed. You guys are probably just hitting cap, honestly. PC.cpp. Don't need that open. Don't save. Don't save. Thank you. IT card. Okay, so it was correct. So I didn't define is special somewhere. God damn it. Remove cap. You can't remove cap because the way it works. You'll all hit max speed. That's it. You're all gonna hit 20 or 50. I forget which one it is. And that number is number of milliseconds between moving cells. That's all it is. So multiply that by. Yeah, I need to apparently this isn't defined. Okay. Let me check. I don't really want to have to open up. Pretty sure it's probably defined in item. Either item DB or item CPP. HPP. Define item is special. Yeah, there it is. Item. Item CPP. Item HPP. What? What do you mean it's not defined? It's right there. Is it not importing HPP? Build solution? It's the only thing I can think of. Is item group not found. Or crafting component. Item group crafting component. Okay. Is that group not defined? Is that what it is? Go to definition. Item group 497. Yeah, that's correct. Go to definition. Oh, that doesn't exist anymore. Okay, that's right. They got changed. Let me see. What's the Oh my God. NM. Yeah, that's how it's defined now. That's right. No, that's not how it's defined anymore. Actually, wait. But yeah, I didn't even think of another instance. No. Item, it needs to see if it exists in the group. I forget how to do that. Or I don't know how to do that in the new format. Let me check. What? Merc weaker than novice. I haven't touched mercenary in a while. Need to peek at this one real quick. Peek at definition. Return a random entry. Search, item to search, item to search. No, I don't want get item. Item exist. Do we not have that function anymore? We might not have that function anymore. Returns a random item. I don't want to return a random item. Returns a random group entry from item group. Yeah, subgroup. I don't want to have to do an array search in here. I can always do that, but item group database. Yep. I might either write a new bit of code for this, or pull up the old code and rewrite it. I'm pretty sure that was only during Christmas, yeah. Returns a random item from the group. Find all our references real quick. Yeah, that's what I thought. I use it in water down as well. Okay. Let me find out what the replacement was. God damn it. Bum, bum. To do this, I'm actually going to have to itemdb.hpp. We'll undo these changes real quick. Save. Copy this. Close this. Let me make sure there's nothing here I don't want you guys to see before I show it. Yeah, there is. Okay, so I can't show this. Let me switch my Git versions and put this on my second screen so you guys can't see it. And screen capture. I need to move before the merge with Arduino, which would be a while back. Let's see. All branches, current branch. Okay. Switch to that branch. Yep, switch to that branch. Thank you. Oh, that's all it literally was? Oh shit. Okay. Um, Let me find a couple references for it. PC use item. Okay, hopefully that's enough of them. Yeah, hopefully that's enough. Okay. So let's close this. All branches. Move back up 5,000 doohickeys. Switch back to the correct branch. Oh. There's a bunch of messages and off topic. Oh, talking about Cobalt on the armor still. Oh, God. Hopefully this bit of code still exists so I don't have to write it myself. Oh, come on. I'm literally just waiting for the branch to switch. Can't go home again, baby. I actually haven't had any coffee this morning. And also not yawning already. I woke up like 20 minutes before stream. Like actually just woke up and ate a piece of pie and then came here. Pie. Okay, it's done. Now I can go back to the new version. Let's start with the mercenary scroll. I think that's most likely to succeed. Okay, that's the new bit of code. It's just those four, right? Yep, okay. Build solution. Okay, I don't need this anymore. All this so I can fucking test my all this just so I can test the, what's it called? Oh, map server failed? R is unidentified. And SC is unidentified. Oh, this goes up here. Thank you. Don't know why. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ton of shit broke. R is refine, right? Yeah. Weapon level. Info. Okay. Build mob use skill. Undeclared identifier. Something's got to be broken. Yeah, something broke. I have a missing a parenthesis somewhere. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I is redundant. Redefinition. Those can both be removed because they're defined later. Skill avatar. Find all references real quick. Definition for skill weapon refined not found. That's right, that was removed. Or redone, I forget which one. You know what? I'm gonna just revert. Because something went very wrong. Let's see, what else did I change? I adjusted, fixed that. Okay, the monk changes are the only thing I changed in there. Clean, discard all changes, discard all changes. Yep. Build solution. Fucking you guys. I was just reading the trading chat. Rebuild solution again. Exciting stuff. I mean, I had to refix the web mastery, yeah. No big deal though. I know how to fix that now. There. Okay, this was this base right here was moved to here. This was 35. This was 165. I'm pretty sure this should be 35 too. It's just buffing Taekwon, so who cares? Turn base plus bonus level. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Well, this wouldn't affect Taekwon if they had a weapon, since it requires no main level. They only get the bonus part. Actually, now they're getting the base part too, so. And then main level is defined right there. Yeah, I know it causes it, but I'm not bothering to fix it because it's not important. Okay, yeah. The my update to latest Arthena failed. I mean, it just had effect. That's all it is. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think there's like 80 of them. Okay, let's see. Run server. Let me fix the item that what's the name posted earlier. Da -da -da -da. Oh, the one that Deep or Please posted earlier. It was just thief, um, thief, merchant, and swordsman. It wasn't any of the second jobs. That's why it was bugged out. I fixed it though. No custom classes on the list, but should probably add that. Your babu? What's your babu? Everybody's favorite fucking song. God, I hate that song so much. I hate the Dorum so much, actually. No, no. The stupid cat fucking sound. I can't stand that. I'm aware it does compile faster, by the way. But I prefer debug mode when I'm, working. I mean, it's a fair point, though. Yeah, it slows it down by a lot. Like, it was like a couple minutes of what's it called? In live, I always run in, obviously it compiles in release version, but I forget where that setting is, though. I'll look it up later. It's been a while since I've had to actually turn off debug mode. Like a very, very long while. Oh, how are you? I haven't seen you on here in a while. Or maybe at all. I don't remember. I think I recognize the name, but it could be a name from Arthena or something like that. Project. Yeah, see, I know that's a lie. Why would I buff mercenary? Okay. I'll do it on my next one. Thank you, though. Yeah, clean solution and then switch modes. I'm not sure where that one is. Debug. I can always Google it real fast too. It doesn't help that I have a script that actually reloads the IMDb, so I reload IMDb twice. On startup only. For some reason, one of the doing a call function within the IMDb doesn't like it very much, and the IMDb needs to be loaded before scripts. So, like, okay, I could switch the order of operations in the compile files. So it does IMDb first, but yeah. There we go. Okay, at job assassin, at item dagger, at jail level 89, at all skills. Dagger and that one. This one that always bothered me is that in order to actually equip both daggers, you have to switch maps. Okay. Battle stats. Swiftness is at 220. $145. I'm at, what am I swiftness at? I don't have any swiftness. What? $145. Hmm. And 35 times. Uh, there we go. Wait. There we go. Okay, there we go. I'm getting 145 somehow. Which would be, yeah, that's why. And then if I equip this one, which is level 2, right? Yeah, level 2. $180. And then if I put this one on, 245. Okay. I see. I think this one actually has to be lower, that's why. Yeah, because it's the other way it's 165 plus 45. $345. Technically that's less. I mean, that's the buff. We'll try that out. At 345%. That's right. That got changed in the next patch, so that doesn't change it. That's with 9, 1 through 9. Obviously, I didn't double the bonus. I should probably double the bonus though, because it's 90 times 4. Plus 470. It's a little high. I always remove the bonus level from offhand. Is it the same? No, because there's the bonus from the offhand. Main hand, offhand, each have their own independent one. One-handed, two-handed. So that'd be 45. 45 times 8. 90 times 2. Let's see. One-handed base could always go down, but that would discourage you from using one-handed even further. more interesting to remove the base of the offhand. So just bonus. It wouldn't be that much then. It'd just be 4. Remember, this includes different matches. So a dagger axe, for example, or dagger sword. If you have a sword, you'd have a 0.4% ratio, which wouldn't be anything. You'd have 40% power of the bonuses. Granted, that would be 180%. Sorry, 80%. Yeah, but that's still 0 of it. In the example I'm covering. No. It's. I was thinking about removing the lower the weapon level of one-handed, not of offhand. So that base 35% would go down to 30%, which would put it down to 40 instead of 45. With either multiplication, would reduce it by quite a bit. It's marginally weaker than two-handed weapons. That's what it is. That's all. But you get a ton more utility because you have more slots. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but yeah, if one-handed base went down to 100% and offhand went down to 50%, that might be better. No, it's not. How does that math add up? 165 to 155 is not the same as 110. Like that's. I'm not talking about bonus. I'm talking about base, not bonus. I'll add 5 off of bonus, if anything. Yeah, lower one-handed to 100 and lower offhand to 50. That would put us at exactly 15 less, regardless of weapon level. And that would encourage weapon level further because that's a higher percentage of the bonfire. Because I would bring it down to 150 plus 45 times 8. Gotta bring it. Actually, no, that's still fucking higher. Wait, how's that higher? 45 times 4 times 2. Yep, plus 150. 510. Yeah, that's higher. It's still higher than two-handed weapon. Made you. Half. Oh, that's good enough. Okay. 1H, 2H, dual, off, dual, same. I'll put DES, there we go. One, two, three, 4. I'm going to assume the current numbers that I have, as well as assume weapon level 10. Or mastery 10, so. That would be a 180, 250, 320, and 390. Well, yes, and I just did it. 290, 260, or 360, 430, and 500. The only problem with moving offhand is offhand would literally do nothing as far as base. You'd have to use level 4 weapon to get anything out of it, or you'd have to use cards. I mean, that's a good sacrifice, but typically you want the offhand weapon for the cards anyways. Because a 0.8 bonus, 0.8% bonus modifier isn't that great. Oh, we'll see the numbers in a second. Yeah, going from 390 to 470. Yeah. And I'm assuming the same type even. That is fair. That's why I was thinking about just lowering the numbers. Because for instance, if I drop one-handed down to slightly, down to 30, 130, and then drop offhand to 50 and leave it at 10, it might be fine. We'll play with the numbers a little bit though. I could just do a spreadsheet for this, honestly. It'd be much easier than doing this. Then I could play with the numbers. Yeah, Scalpel's level 3 or 4, right? Twin Edge is level 3 is level 4, and Ochre's Axe is level 2, I think. If I remember correctly, it's been a while. Yeah, let's see. That'd be 255, yeah. Yeah, that's the... I'll put offhand down here. That's the current numbers on it. It's probably fine where it is even. Assume I did that math right, yeah. 55 times plus 80. No, that's not right. That should be 35. Oh, that's why I did the fucking... It's not 20. That's a... That's 55 plus 80. Or... No, not 80. 55 is 20, 40, 60, 80. $95, 115, 135. Yeah, that's right. Made a mistake. Okay. That means this one is 10 higher. And this one is 20 higher. Yeah, I just want to get rid of like 25. Like, even though it's matched with United, but preferably between doo-doo. Possibly. We could also do main hand minus 5% on the multiplier as well. Maybe I'll drop 5 on this. That way offhand's still worth using. And main hand can use a nerf because if we're using a one-handed thing, your chances are using a shield. Yes, I'm aware. Which will put this at 340. Oh wait. Yeah, 130. Yeah, exactly. 10. It's, oh, sorry. It's 130 and then 50, 10. How's that down to 60? I didn't drop the base. I dropped the multiplier from 35 to 30. That's all I did. It is. $110 plus 30. Oh, it's not doubled. You're right. Sure, 100. So it'd be 160. My bad. You're right. That one's wrong. Plus 60. So 220. Um, 280. I didn't remove the 100 on that previous one. 280. And 340. Okay, there we go. There you go. Obviously, this is just a combination of the other two. Which would be 230, right? Yeah, 230. 310. 390. And 470. Du-du-du-dum, bum, 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 bum. I'm out of ginger beer. And that doesn't matter though. It always rounds down, yes. Even at 3.5, it'll round down. It doesn't round up. It only rounds up at 4. So it doesn't actually affect any of the small numbers. Everything from 3 to 4.9 is the same number. So obviously in Safeguard it matters of HP because the flat HP bonuses are small are big enough, but like the VIT bonus, it's not affected at all. Let's see. The main English is hard. The main ones it's going to affect are Mystical and Safeguard. So, unfortunately, I don't have all the weapon types. Let me go ahead and add Troop A underscore LA. Add battle or at spot on Ifrit. Okay, and then I want to try at spawn Ifrit. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so it would affect weapon attack mildly, maybe. Clear 3.9 times. Okay, 3.9 times 5, 19. Versus 3.4 times 5. Yeah, so you're going to lose 2 attack. Two for every 5. What's up? Yes, because this is going to be a direct buff to Mercenary and Assassin. And Captain. But it's not a buff to the class. It's a buff to all classes that dual wield. What's the current... no, what's the current bonus of dual wielding on live? Captain did get buffed. Or is it only... Oh, it's only dual wielding the same type, right? Sorry. They don't dual wield the same type. Yeah, sorry. Current is 350? Okay. For dual wielding is 350? Dual wielding level 4? Dual wielding dual level 4. Okay. Yeah, so it's a quite a big buff for Mercenary. This might affect this also buffs shield though. I do not necessarily want to buff shield. I might do a custom thing for shield. I'll just completely customize shield. I don't. Well, when DVD is a thing, maybe, but okay. I'm where? Let's see. Do I want? Where do I want the shield to line up? That's the question. Yeah, because right now it's 50 plus 40 times weapon level, or 150 plus 40 times weapon level. I'm specifically talking about when they're the same. Specifically talking about when it is safeguard, spear and shield. I could just leave it the same, honestly, but because you're gonna have the round down effect, I guess. But you're using a two-handed spear will never be worth it. Then that's all. This this also adjusted shield in the process. Because you're going, yeah. This is the new shield, spear shield. Yeah, I do. I do want tanks to tank. But if you're going to use a two-handed spear, it should be better than a one-handed spear with a shield. That's all. This doesn't affect. Okay. Let me adjust these numbers real quick. There we go. Shield offhand did get a mini nerf, yes. But only for non-spear users. So if you use a spear, it's buffed, i.e. Phalanx just got buffed. And spear, fair. That is a fair point, but okay. Let me go ahead and upgrade the skill descriptions then. Nah, I just like the inconsistency, Subdodo. Yeah, I just like the inconsistency right there. Hmm. The season 11 changes, yeah. I got 40 times. Yes, it did. I haven't just touched the. I was looking at two-handed. I didn't actually look at any of the. Yeah, I don't like LS. Not gonna lie. As for Champion Mastery, yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen all the season 11 stuff, so I can't actually input it all, and I haven't watched either videos you sent me. Yeah, but how are they? See, the player base isn't actually as toxic as a lot of people give it say it is. Like, genuinely, the fact that they're removing fucking all chat is so dumb, though. How do you feel about 520 as the max? Oh, yeah, no. You can't just play one fucking game. There's no way I could do that shit. I could always go nutballs and go that. This would affect guitars and bows. For the most part. Like, that's who genuinely uses two-handed weapons. Yeah. 50 times 8 is 400 plus 200. I could go all the way up to 600, holy crap. You don't need a yeah, but you don't need a lot of raw attack power. You scale off of your natural attack bonus is Dex, which gives you hit and attack speed as well. So you have a triple modifier. You have three self-buffing modifiers on one stat. That is your main stat. Yeah, you don't need fucking. Yeah, I already know they're adding Serpent's Fang, kinda. They're adding a magic pen. Yeah, I'm more you're trolling. Hmm. I think I'll just do 40. I think I'll do 240. So I'll nerf the base on it a little bit. 240. I can drop this down to 180. If we need the 20 beyond, I can drop this down to 180, I guess. Yeah, well, it should definitely be better with the new HP changes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with these numbers for now. There we go. I'm gonna add some special stuff down here. There we go. And then let me check the logic real quick. This should also buff Taekwon with a shield. Bare hand shield as well. I think. I'm not sure. It'll either buff or nerf them. It'll buff Safeguard though, so. So yeah, it should buff them. What? What the actual fuck are you saying, Teddy? Are you off your meds again? Build solution. He took the rainbow crayon. Okay. Those are the new numbers. There you go. Grimdark crayon. Yeah, so he's getting extra 5G now. Yeah, I'm not clicking on that link. Teddy has lost his link privileges a long time ago. There we go. Exactly. I'm glad we all agree. Uh, that reminds me. Yeah, this isn't right. Okay. There you go. Warhammer 40k. Yeah, I never did get in Warhammer 40k. I've always been told I would enjoy it, but okay. I've been playing Divinity the last couple of days with my brother. Original Sin 2 to be specific. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove that synchronization and use this one instead. Okay. What did Guild Wars do? I don't know. Fill me in, Teddy. Let me check. Let me check balance talks and bug reports while you type that out. Talking about daggers being bugged, or I just fixed. Scroll further up. Scroll further up. Do. Okay, you guys are doing Casa Bounty fun. I just already fixed those bugs. Already fixed that. Familiar turning randomly involves the new. Oh, Games Workshop? Static Shiv. Yeah, Static Shiv was gone last season, right? At the beginning of this season? They removed it? Yeah, the new Static Shiv passive on, is that Hex Attack, right? That gives the slow on attack. Added buff. I mean, it's basically, kind of like, um, Fire Drake as far as, like, his bonus. He's not just raw damage and a slow. Versus AoE damage on skills. That said, freaking Fire Drake is disgusting. I think it's still the best Drake. Chemtech is going to be aged. Yes, yeah, Chemtech is dumb. It's fun. Don't get me wrong, it's fun, but it's dumb. Basically, if your opponent gets Chemtech, you just lose the game. Like, let's be honest. You're not gonna fucking win the game if your opponent gets Chemtech. Okay. Close this, open this. Oh god. Yeah, Akshan is dumb. They actually did used to do that. No? Freaking Kennen, Akali, Kennen, and Shen all came out within like a week. Kindred, not Kindred, the fucking Lovebirds. They came out at the same time. I think there was one or two, another set that came out at the same time too. Yeah, Zion Rakan, there you go. Yeah, so floating rates are going away, by the way. I'm going to be removing this. Ah, okay. I know I understood you're making a joke about how ridiculously long his descriptions are, but I'm talking about. I know, right? Fucking Gore Drinker's so disgusting. What you're a melee? If you're at all a melee champion, you build fucking Gore Drinker. For God's sake, I saw an Echo building Gore Drinker. Fucking Echo built Gore Drinker. Like, you know you have a problem when mages, or bruisery mages, are building it. No, I do see I do see a lot of Hullbreaker. Yorick, Tryndamere, Scion. I've seen it on Fiora. I've seen it on I think I've seen it on set even. I'm pretty sure I've seen it on set. I mean, you can look up item build rate. Analytics. You see, can you sort by item build rate or no? Is it only per champion? Sorry, this is what I'm. Why the hell do I want to watch a YouTube video in my fucking main screen? Whatever. Let's see. Let's pick a champion. It's your list. Look, Blitz is S tier now all of a sudden. Oh, that really bad. Oh, the Iron Hender or not Iron Hender. Freaking Einherjar anime. Yeah, it was really bad. I was unfortunately during the when the anime was airing, like when it first started airing, Google would prioritize it over my my server because it's the same name. And yeah, that was fun. Was Camille build Gold Drinker at all? Let's find out. Hey, look, she actually has a low win rate on Gold Drinker. Nope, she doesn't build it at all. Oh, that's Hullbreaker. How often does she build Hullbreaker? She built Hullbreaker in 0.4% of her games. Let's pick another top laner. Let's try Tryndamere. Yes, Camille does build Sunder. I'm aware. That's her highest win rate. Tryndamere's highest win rate. Look, it's Gold Ranker. Actually, no, it's Divine Sunder. What? That's a really small sample size, though. So, yeah, that's a 22 games of people built Divine Sunder on Tryndamere. Yeah, I know. That's not enough games to be Yeah, but like these games, there's enough games right there between those two games to determine that Gold Drinker is probably the better item on Tryndamere. Let's see, how much does Tryndamere build? First item, Gordon. Second item, 500 times. Third item, 300 times. I mean, when you're building an item, he built this 800,000 games. So about 0.5%. Yeah, even Tryndamere is not building it. Holy crap. I know I've seen it on him. I've probably seen it on Jax too, but... Can you click on door? I thought you could look up on their site who built what, but apparently not. Okay, I need to start working on my replacement for floating rates. Okay. Yeah, life still is broken, or sustain is broken in general. So there's too much sustain in the game. Like when you have people like Yasuo or fucking what's it called? Or freaking Fiora who are like go in and fight for 40 seconds. Like, a Fiora should not be able to fight for 40 seconds in 2v1. Like, no. I know I'm exaggerating the duration, but still. It's like, it should not take you 20 seconds to kill a Fiora. Or, correction, 20 seconds to die to a Fiora. Because you're a tank. The Greaves being 60% did help. Like, genuinely. Greaves being 60% helped a lot. I'm not going to deny that. Fair. That Fiora is... I actually don't know what her win rate is, but she's strong. Floating rates. Bum 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 bum. Bum ba do 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 do. Jace actually wins that. Jace is really good into a lot of melee matchups top lane. That's one of the reasons why he's played so much up top in high relos. Okay, floating rates. I think his cooldowns are lower than hers though. Riposte also doesn't do anything if you just auto attack them. You poke her from a distance, she blocks every other Q, and then you full engage when she's low, or after she ripostes and plays poorly. Okay, let's see. Oh, definitely. Yeah, definitely can kill him if she riposte to CC. But his CC is only a knockback. Like, let's be honest. Did you watch the replay at all or no? And see how he won? PC mob dead. Dude. Okay. uh, let's see, where'd that bonus go? Let's see, this should be floating rates. Floating rates. Do-do-do. Let's see, peak definition. Okay. Oh, very nice. Ah, fucking Teddy, you're a troll. Okay. Do 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 do. Oh, that's awesome. Let's see. Do 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 do. I love when shit's in sync in the game. It's really cool when you get a quadra kill with Jin when he does 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab this real quick. There we go. Actually, what's that? No, it's equal. Okay, not rated, not plus equal. Kraken on Jin is not bad. I will give him that. It's not a bad item. It does give you true damage. The true damage does scale off your AD, which Jin has a ton of. It does give him attack speed, which gives him movement speed and gives him percent AD. Like, it is a good item. But he doesn't know how to use. He can't use fucking activatable items. Like, he's really terrible at that. So there's no point in him going Gale Force. So once you take, then he has two options. He has Lifesteal 1 or Kraken Slayer. Yeah. In which case he should build Lifesteal. He, yeah, you need to get him to learn how to use Gale Force, not. It'll probably take him a good like 20 games to get used to using Gale Force. That's the only one I can use like efficiently, but that's because when I'm using it, I'm playing to use it whenever I pick it. I'll put it there actually. Do some logarithmic math right there. Okay. What else does floating rates affect? It affects item drops, as long as they're not cards. I need to make sure I put that in there. And affects EXP. Okay, I already did the EXP. Now let's make sure the card is not a card. Where is that bit of code? Bum 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 bum. Samira wants to lifesteal because of her ult. Well, let's be honest, that's kind of hard to top that. Because she wants to go in, she wants shield bow pretty much every time. Especially considering her ult doesn't proc auto hit on hit effects. If her ult proc on hit effects, she'd build fucking Kraken. Board barrier and prowlers, yeah, that's fair. But then you don't have ignite. And she also doesn't get on hit effect from Bark. I'm pretty sure I had the card right here somewhere. There's a card check. Yeah. This song kind of reminds me of Clannad. Ignite is not for cowards. Barrier is for cowards. Exhaust is for cowards. Heal is for cowards. Ignite is to kill them. Ignite is countered by barrier. Barrier counters ignite. Heal count and ignite counters heal. Or cleanse. You can cleanse ignite, so. Okay. There you go. Build solution. Floating rates. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Enjoy your 2020 country. Not needed anymore. There we go. And then teleport. Okay. So the new mechanic is now every one is 1% more. So we would now want, when we go to 3x. So we want to go up to 300. So on weekdays it'd be 100. There you go. This isn't needed anymore. Let me find all these real quick. Yeah, this script is going to be a lot shorter in a minute. Update to SRC based. There we go. Current rates are max rates are. There we go. Wow, look how much shorter that dialogue is. Hey. IFO. Fuck you. Fucking no. Do you have to point out every typo I make? Wait, of course you do. The cost won't change. Okay. That's your 3-roll bonus, so you guys don't get screwed as often. Let's remove this. Remove that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Random 1 through 100. And then average it out. These are now completely useless. This is completely useless. I'm not touching that again. Okay. I mean, 11:30 is a good time to go to bed, honestly. Actually, I should have left that bit in. Grab that little bit of code again. Oh, on the first I misread it. I did 10 minus 10 instead of minus 12. Even though I'm used to fucking standard time. It's 1,000. You realize I did use the metric system, right? I prefer the metric system. Shut up, Blobby. No one asked you. Okay, made sure I left the April Fool's rates in. File save. Okay. Right, build solution, right? Yes, I did build solution, okay. I mean, that's like the, is it? I forget the college. There's a college where a professor noticed that people didn't know how to use file structure in Windows. Like, these are college students. They don't know they don't understand file structure. Oh yeah, that's right. I was gonna fucking run and turn off debug mode. Clean solution. Let me look it up real quick. Dude. Oh, there it is. I'm blind. Release. Some people are. I'm not gonna lie. Are you guys still doing CASA bounties or no? Oh, okay. Were you guys doing Endless Tower this weekend or no? Yeah, I know you're not null, but I think Teddy or Sinbad said they were with somebody else, with one of the newer players. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. That reminds me, I need to add Carlbot to my server sometime so I can. Oh, okay. It's no longer even supported, right? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, Norm no longer supports his. Oh, Norm no longer supports the bot at all. Not just me. I could add it in as is, but it would very quickly become outdated, and I don't want to have to manage it. Yeah, if Norm's not gonna provide support, then I probably don't want to add it because I'll just have to remove it at some point later on. It's unfortunate though. I really enjoyed the bot. And it's not about money for him, so I can't just like throw money at him. Both Discord and Arthene updates could break it. Arthene updates are less likely to break it, mind you. But Discord updates could break it, yes. I mean, I can add it. It'd probably take me a couple days to like debug it and stuff. As for the custom client he was working on, that's definitely scrapped. He already heard this problem. He already heard that when he asked Norm to work on it, and Norm basically responded, "Yeah, money doesn't motivate me." Yeah, exactly, and felt better. Yeah, the beta client is no longer going to be a thing. We will be updating client soon, though. That's what these last couple updates have been about. I've been merging with Arthena so I can use all the new features from the new clients. Yeah. According to Neomind, the two main factors or the two main things I need to be insured on enabled can work. Also, 2021 client, maybe, even. I will still have to figure out how the AP bar works and do a bunch of other experimenting, but yeah. I mean, there are other ways I can handle it. Like let's be honest. Oh, that sucks, Teddy. Yeah, like, no, there are other ways I can do it. I just didn't want to do it if the AP bar was going to become an option. So I had to do it twice. I could literally just do it similar to how Necromancer's bones work, where they have the ring around them, except for have it backwards. Just you have the ring around you whenever you spawn, and then you lose one whenever you last stand, and once you're out of 10, once you lose all of them, you're out. But that's a visual indicator that's easily lost in like auras and stuff like that. Also, is the AP bar shown for other players? If the AP bar is not shown for other players, it might not matter, but this is release mode. Oh, server terminated. Okay. Debug build. Rebuild solution. Yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts exactly. No. Forget the blackjack too while you're at it, I guess. Be a true bender. You need your electrical stimulation. Yeah, that's a lot more fuck you money, Teddy. Unless the cards are like this, only little tiny things. That, again, that's for you to figure out. uh, yeah, the only thing I think Aro actually would genuinely need is a new client. Like a really good client. Like from the ground up client. To be good. Again. Or to be more modernized, I should say. I mean, yeah, but look at League. Same thing. A lot of games, a lot of companies do that. I mean, Bethesda, same thing. That's why I'm saying a completely new client, not an updated client. Then you wouldn't have the coding baggage with the updated client. Um, yeah. The FF14 approach is much better. I mean, it's obviously costs more money, but that's why I said, Teddy, new client, not an updated client. Like from the ground up, new client. I mean, yeah, it is unfortunately where the money is. It's not though. Or until something like China makes it illegal. watch China fucking make it illegal to something like that. I think it's smaller than that, but yeah, it's pretty big still. I mean, if I remember, it was like 30 or 40%. Granted, my numbers might be outdated. Mobile is the biggest platform in China and Japan and Korea. When you have a very mobile lifestyle and not a lot of space, mobiles make sense. That's one of the reasons why the DS and the PSP did so well overseas compared to the United States. I love the PSP. Yeah, it was a fucking amazing console. I hit two of them. I still have one actually. Is my NPC not there? Rage Master. Oh, Rage Master is bugged. Okay. Uh, okay, what was the error on it? Oh, there's no fucking close bracket right there. File save. Oh yeah, okay, so it's definitely it's gone up. Okay. Yeah. Don't you guys have phones? Ah, fucking Blizzard. Yeah, Americans do not like mobile gaming. Like, let's get this straight. Most Western countries do not like mobile gaming. And it's not that it's not gaming; it's that it's all cash grab stuff. Server rates are now 82. I'll probably have to adjust that the description on that. Oh, did you? 8. And rates are now 1. Okay. I mean, use an iPad. I know, right? I just found out that Divinity Original Sin is on the fucking iPad. Divinity Original Sin 2 is on the iPad. Like, and that's a good game. Obviously, it came to computer and console first, but look, I think my experience bonus on Mastery is stacking. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is doubling up right there. So I need to take that out. Mm-hmm. Then let's check. I can't really check drop rates, but I guess I could add in a debug mess. Do. Okay, and then I want to find floating rates again. Okay. Okay, have a good one, Sinbad. See you next week. Build solution. Build solution. Oh, god damn it. I don't use this map flag, so... Alright, yeah. Build solution. Okay, close that. Don't save, run server. I'm gonna run an ad real quick while I run the server and go get myself something to drink. Okay, let's see. Ad's still running, so that took me a lot less time than I thought. I should have ran a shorter ad, oh well. No, this is not Pokemon music. This is actually Symphony number 9. Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Well, yeah, I did change. Oh, even before that, no, it still wasn't Pokemon music. Okay. Early bonus is now file save. Hopefully it's done building by now. I had time to code a bunch of stuff. Nope, still not fucking ready. Holy crap. Ran a 3-minute ad and did a little bit of code tweaking and it's ready. It takes like 5 minutes. 5 minutes per fucking check. Currently players get a % bonus to EXP and a log bonus to item drops. Yep, that's correct. Max bonus is % to EXP and a log for items. Okay. At set rates 1. Okay. Pre-post. Okay. And let's go ahead and set rates 100. Spawn pouring. Okay, there we go. Much better. This will not show up in at MI anymore, unfortunately. But it does work, so that's all that matters. I might need to add it to at rates as well. And there's a typo right there. There we go. File save. Let's see if that's good now. Let me check the wording on it. Reload in PC. Okay, definitely gonna need to get rid of that dialogue because that's gonna be obnoxious as hell if I were to stay in. Save that. Okay. Current rates. And on the weekend, that bonus goes to 200%. So. Let me see. I'm gonna adjust this slightly so it's less player favored on the weekend. Okay. Should I do min weekend, max weekend? No, I'll do min. Okay, and then you know what? No, fuck it. I'll save it. I'll leave it alone. I'll leave it as it is. Yeah. It's a much smaller range than it was before. It's only negative. It was 250 before. Now it's 100. So you're 2.5 times more likely to get the good rates you want. Yeah, so I should probably adjust it. Move that right there. Boom. Save. Oh, this shit Notepad++ was easier to read. We'd see. Okay. Let's see, max. Let's grab dot at max again. Okay, there we go. Save. Okay. Oh, I need to reload the NPC again. Yeah, reload NPC. And while I'm at it, switch the music. Okay. Yeah, rates. Did I typo in the NPC again? I typoed in the NPC again. Nope, there's a missing. Bum bum. Two. Let's go ahead and reload it again. 23% bonus user experience. Yes, let's go. Okay. Bonus rates are now fixed. That should fix the familiars transforming as well, since we don't ever reload MobDB. Which that's what's causing it. That will also fix the issue of the 5 or 2.5 minute pause whenever it, on the hour, so you guys don't have like 2 minutes of like I'm stuck in one position. So I think I'm gonna call it a stream on that. I don't think there's anybody I'm gonna want to raid. There's somebody playing Beat Saber, but yeah, no. Anything else before I get off and go play some Divinity? I'm getting the code stream, so no code. Okay. Yeah, I fixed a bunch of crap in this stream, so Weapon Mastery fix will be a nice one. The rate change fix, it's the only negative about the change is that it no longer shows up in at MI. So if you do at MI and there's a mob item drop, it won't show the new number. But it's a log change on top of it, so it's going to be probably less impactful than before. We'll see. For experience, it's exactly the same. It doesn't functionally, it's exactly the same. Okay. I guess then I'll just end stream. I'm gonna go play some Divinity Original Sin with Forsaken probably. I'll see you guys on Friday unless